Good morning. So I make three dishes for the baby shower. So that's what I make. Shepherd's pie. And Mommy Yang is ready. Get ready to rumble this mekos-mekos. So finally mga guys, nag-make na ako ng shepherd's pie para nasa like kano na food. So yan po yung American food. Yung sister-in-law ko ang nagturo na paano magawa niyan. So masarap daw. Na-appreciate nila yung luto namin mga may guys. At saka si Mama Arlene, she have three dishes too. O, di ba? Yan po yung mga pagkain namin para sa aming baby shower. Tapos may bihon. And then we have egg rolls. So, ang egg rolls at saka bihon, hindi talaga yan mawala sa party. O, nagustuhan nila yung mga ganyan naming luto. Tapos, si Ate Joy din dito sa amin. Nagbigay din siya ng platter of a lot of desserts. So, we are very grateful. And she gave some mga my guys, clothes. My sister-in-law, she's coming. Thank you very much. We are very grateful to everybody helping each other. So, yan na po yung food namin. So, finally, the venue is open 12 o'clock. Tapos, yung party is 2 o'clock. Grabe talaga yung si Mami Yang pa-smile-smile lang dyan. Pero, nagpanik talaga ako kung matapos ba itong pagde-decorate namin. Kasi, there are really, the time so fast. So, yan mga my guys. Thank you so much to my husband. And also the two Daddy David and Daddy Brown is here helping blowing the balloon. Thank God. And then finally here is the finished outlook of our baby shower. So we are ready. So the food is ready. Are we gonna wait for the visitors come who's coming? So look at my baby girl, and I'm very minor and nervous talaga ako mga may guys. Sabi ni Tita Ani, at Ate, relax lang na basta ako, hindi talaga ako mapag-relax pag may ganito. 2 hours lang yung pagde-decorate mo. My goodness! So finally, Tito and Mama Arlene is here. So we are very ready. We're waiting for the visitors. And my daughter, look at that singing on the spot. They don't have practice, but they really have a good job. And she's holding that cupcake because she start crying. She don't wanna sing, so I gave her the cupcake. I'm glad she continues singing. She's very hungry, and look at our food, really yum yum. And then the visitors is there. Some officers is coming. So they got 3 load of car. Yan po yung nakuha nila. And then my the my stepdaughter, she's come to the venue and she gave me this beautiful flower. Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much to my stepdaughter. Happy Mother's Day.